How to fix our creators voice chat not working or our creators proximity chat not working. Now in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how you can troubleshoot those as to why or how you can fix that all of those kinds of voice chats from our creators is not working. So the very first thing that you want to do is to launch our creators via Steam or anywhere you would like to launch the game. Now just head straight into the game settings and then just choose on audio. Now there's a lot of things that you need to check first before you use this kind of feature. Now under party voice chat volume and proximity voice chat volume, make sure that you have decent amount of percentage of the volume so that it will provide you an output. Now below that you would see voice chat and make sure that enable voice chat is activated and not turned off. Now under voice chat input device, you also need to double check that the current equipment that is currently there is make sure that that is the microphone that you're using from your PC or laptop. Now, if you head straight into proximity chat options, you should be able to check party voice chat mode if it's either push to talk or any option or setting you would like to prefer. If it is for push to talk, you will be given out a specific button as to what you will be using. Now, your last resort is to tweak around the settings from your PC. Go into the Windows icon and type in run, hit on enter, and type in SNDVOL and then hit on OK. Now this is going to be all the volume mixer that your PC has. If you run Steam, Steam will actually show up here and make sure that this is not on mute. Make sure to turn the volume all the way up, close this and relaunch the game. And that's how you fix our creators, voice chat and proximity chat are not working.